tiny ducks. Tiny 5 little ducks went out to play over the hill and far away. Mama duck called with a loud quack quack, but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went swimming free in the pond, oh so